BWT, registered name BWT AG, is an Austrian manufacturing company of water treatment systems with its headquarters in Mondsee. The company has four main production sites at Mondsee, Schriesheim, Paris, Esch, numerous subsidiaries and affiliated companies, and a global distribution network. BWT AG was founded as Benckiser Wassertechnik in 1823 by Johann Adam Benckiser in Germany. Following several acquisitions and mergers, the company was purchased in 1990 by Andreas Weissenbacher in a management buyout. The company was floated on the Vienna Stock Exchange in 1992. The WAB Group is the principal shareholder of BWT AG, with around 20% of the shares owned by diverse shareholders. BWT provides products, water treatment systems and services for. The product portfolio covers the entire spectrum of water treatment technology. This includes filtration, filter media, ion exchange systems for demineralization, alternative limescale protection, water softening, decarbonization, disinfection, metering technology, membrane technology, microfiltration, ultrafiltration, and nanofiltration, reverse osmosis, pure steam generators, pure water distillation, UV systems, ozone generators, ion exchange membranes, electrolysis, electrodialysis, electroionization, chlorine dioxide generators and metering pumps. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.